If your bathroom feels stuck in another decade, and you're tired of scrolling past vanities that either look cheap or cost a fortune, then stick around. Because today, we are talking about a piece that might just be the game changer your space has been waiting for. Welcome back to Prime Abode, the channel where we help you build a home you're actually proud of. I'm so excited about today's review because this one checks a lot of boxes. And I want to make sure you have everything you need to decide if it's the right fit for your bathroom. Today, we're taking a close look at the Bilroy 36-inch single bathroom vanity with engineered stone top by Ebern Designs. Now, if you've been on the hunt for something that feels boutique and high-end without completely wrecking your budget, this vanity is going to catch your attention fast. Let's get into it. Starting with the design. And honestly, this is where the Bilroy shines right out of the gate. The fluted cabinet front is one of those details that instantly elevates a bathroom from builder grade to something you'd see on a home renovation show. Fluted textures are having a major moment in interior design right now, and Ebern Designs has executed it really well here. The lines are clean, the proportions feel balanced, and whether you're going for a modern farmhouse look or a sleek contemporary aesthetic, this vanity fits right in. It's the kind of piece that makes people walk into your bathroom and immediately ask, "Where did you get that?" Now let's talk about the countertop, because this is a big deal. The Arabescato engineered stone top gives you the look of luxurious marble without the high-maintenance reality that comes with natural stone. Arabescato is known for its soft white base with elegant gray veining, and this engineered version captures that beauty while being far more resistant to staining, scratching, and everyday wear. The straight-edge modern finish keeps the look sharp and contemporary, and it pairs beautifully with the undermount ceramic sink, which sits flush underneath the counter for a seamless, streamlined look that's also super easy to clean. Speaking of the sink, the rectangular undermount basin is centrally positioned, which makes it practical for everyday use, not just pretty to look at. There's no rim collecting grime or water, and the whole setup just feels intentional and well thought out. You'll want to grab an 8-inch widespread faucet to complete the look. That's sold separately, along with the drain assembly, P-trap, mirror, and mounting bracket. So keep that in mind when you're budgeting for your full bathroom refresh. The storage situation is genuinely impressive for a 36-inch vanity. You get 2 full extension soft close drawers built with solid wood dovetail construction. And if you know anything about drawer quality, dovetail joinery is the gold standard. These aren't flimsy drawers that wobble after a year. They're built to last. The soft close mechanism means no slamming, which is a small thing until you've lived with it, and then you'll never go back. There's also a U-shaped drawer cutout designed to accommodate plumbing, so you're not losing storage space awkwardly around pipes. Thoughtful design like that tells you the engineers actually thought about how people use their bathrooms day to day. One of the best things about this vanity is the variety of finish options. You can choose from black, white, taupe, vintage blue, vintage green, and light sage, all paired with brushed bronze hardware. If you prefer warmer tones, the chestnut brown and classic oak finishes come paired with brushed gold hardware instead. That level of customization is rare in this price range, and it means you can match this piece to your existing bathroom palette without compromise. The brushed bronze hardware in particular adds a sophisticated contrast against lighter cabinet colors, giving the whole unit a high-end feel. Now let's be real about the pros and cons, because no product is perfect and you deserve an honest take. On the pro side, the fluted design and Arabescato stone top genuinely look more expensive than this vanity costs. The storage is functional and well engineered. The color range is exceptional. The soft close drawers are a quality detail that stands up over time. And the undermount sink makes cleaning incredibly easy. On the flip side, you'll need to budget separately for the faucet, drain, mirror, and a few other components, which can add up if you're not expecting it. Installation isn't a plug-and-play situation. You'll want a plumber or a confident DIYer to handle the plumbing connections properly. And while the 36-inch size is great for smaller bathrooms, if you have a larger double sink space in mind, this particular unit won't cover it. So who is this vanity actually perfect for? If you're a first-time homeowner trying to give a dated bathroom a real refresh without a full renovation budget, this is your piece. If you're a renter who owns your unit and wants to make a smart upgrade that adds value, this hits the mark. It's also a fantastic choice for guest bathrooms, powder rooms, or any smaller bathroom where you want maximum style impact in a compact footprint. And if you're someone who loves design-forward choices, the kind of person who notices the difference between a generic vanity and one with real character, the Bilroy will not disappoint you. Overall, the Bilroy 36-inch vanity by Ebern Designs is a genuinely strong product. It brings together trendy design, quality construction, smart storage, and a wide range of finishes at a price point that makes it accessible for a lot of homeowners and renters alike. If you're serious about upgrading your bathroom without compromising on style, this one deserves a serious look. If this review helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are trying to make smart home decisions just like you. If you're new here, welcome to Prime Abode. We talk about all things home, furniture, decor, renovations, and honest product reviews. So go ahead and subscribe so you never miss an upload. And drop a comment below. Are you thinking about a bathroom refresh? What's the one thing holding you back? I read every single comment and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.